Hello students, we are doing chapter number 8 simple interest and compound interest exercise 8.3. In last video we did till question number 4 and now we will start from question number 5. Anil borrowed 18,000 rupees from Rakesh at 8% per annum simple interest for 2 years. If Anil has borrowed this sum at 8% per annum compound interest, what extra amount would he has to pay? So here you have to find out the difference between compound interest and simple interest. He has taken money on simple interest, but if he would have taken on a compound interest, then how much difference he has to pay. So first we will find out the simple interest. Principal money is 18,000. Rate of interest is 8% and time is given for 2 years. So simple interest is here P into T into R by 100. 18,000 multiply by 2 into 8 by 100. So two zeros directly we can cancel out and then we will get here simple interest 2,880 rupees. Now we will calculate the compound interest. So amount is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. Because it is yearly, so we will use this formula. 18,000 1 plus 8 by 100 to the power 2. This you can cancel with 4, 4 2 ja and 4 25 ja, and after taking LCM you will get 27 by 25 to the power 2. So power 2 means this we have to write 2 times 27 by 25 into 27 by 25. You can cancel it with 5 table. 5 5 ja 5 3 6 and again 2 zeros. Again we can cancel with 5 7 times 2 time and 0 time. 5 5 ja and 5 1 2 and 4 times. After this number you have to multiply and divide with 5, then you will get amount is equal to 20,995 rupees 20 paise. Now we'll find out the compound interest. Compound interest is amount minus principal. Amount is 20,995 rupees 20 paise minus 18,000. So we will get here 2,995 rupees 20 paise. And the extra money what he has to pay, that is the difference between compound interest and simple interest. So difference compound interest minus simple interest. Which you will get 115 rupees 20 paise. So therefore extra amount he would pay is rupees 115 20 paise. Next question number 6. Mukesh borrowed 75,000 from a bank. If the rate of interest is 12% per annum, find the amount he would be paying after 1.5 years. If the interest is compounded annually, and second part compounded half yearly. So first we are doing first one. Here principal is given 75,000 rupees. Time is given 1.5 year, which we can write 1 plus half year, because it will come in fraction, and for fraction we cannot keep in power, and we will not be able to solve that one. Rate of interest is 12%. So what we will do, we will calculate for 1 year and then we will calculate for the half year. So for first year, amount is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. So principal money is 75,000. 1 plus rate of interest is 12 by 100 and we are calculating for the first year. So power will be 1. Now we will get here 75,000 and when you will take LCM you will get 112 by 100. So two zeros directly you can cancel out and after multiplication you will get 84,000. So 84,000 is the amount after 1 year. Now we will do the calculation for the remaining half year. We can find out the simple interest with simple interest formula, P into T into R by 100. So principal money we will take whatever is the end of 1 year, that will become the principal for the remaining half year. So 84,000 time is half year means 1 by 2 into 12% and divided by 100. So two zeros we can cancel and two six we can cancel, and after multiplication all this you will get 5040. So simple interest for half year is 5040 rupees. So final amount will be here 84,000 plus 5040 rupees. So we'll get 89,040 rupees here final amount. Now second part we have to calculate according to the half yearly. So we will use here half yearly formula. Principal same 75,000. Time is 1.5 year, which we can write as 3 by 2. Now we can take this as because 2n is there in power and 2 will cancel out. And rate of interest is 12%. So for half yearly formula is there, A is equal to P 1 plus R by 200 whole to the power 2n. Substitute the values 75,000, 1 plus 12 by 200, 2 into 3 by 2. So this by 2 will cancel out and this also you can cancel 2 6 ja and 200 ja. Then after calculation, after taking LCM you will get 106 by 100 to the power 3, which you can write as 75,000 into 106 into 106 into 106 divided by 100 into 100 into 100. So 3 zeros we can cancel here and then 25 3 ja, 25 4 ja we can cancel. After this we can cancel out 2 2 ja and 253 times, then 253 times and again 2 5 and 253 times. Now remaining numbers we have to multiply and divide by 5, and after whole calculation we are getting 89,326 rupees 50 paise. Next question number 7. Aryaman invested 10,000 rupees in a company. He would be paid interest at 7% per annum compounded annually. Find the amount received by him at the end of 2 years. So first part we are doing first. After 2 years we have to find out the amount. So principal money is given here 10,000. Rate of interest is given 7% and time we have to find out after 2 years. So amount is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. This we can write as n. So substitute values 10,000 into 1 plus 7 by 100 to the power 2 which we can write, after taking LCM we will get 107 by 100 to the power 2. We can write it as 10,000 into 107 into 107 by 100 into 100. So 4 zeros will cancel out, and 107 into 107 we will get 11449. So this is the amount by the end of second year. Now second part, they ask here the interest for the third year. So only for the third year we have to calculate. So for third year, this amount by the end of second year will become principal for the third year. Rate of interest is given 7%, and time only for the third year, means only for the last year, 1 year we will take here, we have to calculate. So you can use here simple interest formula, or you can use compound interest formula, because only for 1 year we are calculating. So for third year, simple interest is P into T into R by 100, 11449 into 1 into 7 by 100. After multiplication and division you will get 801 rupees 43 paise. Next question number 8. What sum of money will amount to 9261 rupees in 3 years at 5% per annum compound interest? So amount is given here 9261 rupees. Time is given 3 years, which will represent with n, and rate of interest is given 5%, and we have to find out the P, principal money we have to find out. So we'll use the same formula. It is yearly, compounded yearly. So we'll use A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Amount is given 9261 is equal to P 1 plus 5 by 100 to the power 3. Now you can cancel 5 1 ja and 5 20 ja. Then 9261 is equal to P, after taking LCM you will get 21 by 20 to the power 3, and when you will multiply 21 3 times you will get 9261 by 8000. You can write like this also, both the side we will flip. P 9261 by 8000 is equal to 9261, and P we will keep here, remaining numbers we can shift another side. So 9261 into 8000 by 9261. So this thing will cancel out. The principal money is 8000 rupees. So in this video we will do till here. Remaining questions we will continue in next video. Thank you for watching this video.